You can actually earn $500 per hour in 2025 with just 9 AI tools. And the crazy part? You don't need to write a single line of code. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 9 AI skills that companies are desperate for in 2025, and how you can turn them into a $500 per hour income stream. Stay until the end, because skill number 9 isn't just powerful, it's a game changer. It's the one skill that could literally replace entire teams, and if you're one of the few who masters it, you'll be in massive demand. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. These skills could literally change your career, your income, and your future. Skill number 1. Prompt engineering, $50 to $100 per hour. Prompt engineering is the art of talking to AI so it gives you exactly what you need. Think of it as the new coding. And the best part? You can master it in weeks, not years. Why is this valuable? Because AI is only as good as the prompts you feed it. Bad prompt equals bad results. Good prompt equals almost like printing money. Here's the simple formula pros use. Define the role. Act as a marketing strategist. Give context and examples. Make a clear request. Specify the format. List, PDF, script. Imagine a company launching a new product. With the right prompt, you can generate a full marketing plan in minutes. That's why businesses are ready to pay high rates for this skill. Skill number 2, AI-powered software development, $100 to $200 per hour. Forget everything you thought about coding. With tools like Replit, Cursor, and Retool, anyone can build software without writing a single line of code. Here's the playbook. Ask AI to create a personalized learning plan. Spot a real-world business problem. Build and launch a prototype in days, not months. Quick story. I know someone who built a SaaS tool in just 3 hours using AI and sold it the next day for $500. Imagine repeating that process once a week. That's a serious side hustle. Skill number 3, AI design, $100 to $200 per hour. Design is no longer just Photoshop skills. It's about ideas plus AI execution. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Photoshop AI, you can create stunning visuals in minutes. Websites that used to cost $15,000, now you can design them in hours. Where the money is right now, generative photography, AI photo restoration, instant UI design with Figma plugins. Think about it. Small businesses that can't afford big design agencies are turning to freelancers who know AI. That's your opportunity. Skill number 4, AI video editing, $100 to $200 per hour. Video is king, and AI makes editing almost effortless. With tools like Opus and Firecut, you can clip viral highlights from long videos in seconds, generate talking avatars without filming, add AI B-roll instantly. Picture this, a 60-minute podcast turned into 10 viral TikToks in under 5 minutes. That's what clients pay big money for. Quick question. Which of these first 4 skills do you want to learn? Drop it in the comments. I actually read every one. Before we continue, here's something important. You don't need a degree. You don't need years of experience. You don't even need huge investments. All you need is one skill, one client, and the right tools. Now let's jump into the serious money makers. Skill number 5, AI writing, $100 to $200 per hour. This isn't about typing blog posts, it's about transforming content. The workflow pros use: extract key ideas from long videos or blogs, use AI to create new high-converting content, train a custom GPT to match any brand voice. Companies don't just want content, they want consistent on-brand messaging at scale. If you can deliver that, you're not just a writer, you're a strategist. Skill number 6, AI content marketing, $200 to $300 per hour. Businesses today are turning podcasts into entire content ecosystems. One single podcast can become 30 LinkedIn posts, 10 short videos, a full newsletter. If you can manage this process with AI tools, you're not just a freelancer, you're a revenue machine. Here's the kicker. Most businesses don't even realize how much value they're sitting on. That's why I show them, you instantly become the expert they can't afford to ignore. Skill number 7, no-code AI automation, $300 to $400 per hour. Companies burn billions on repetitive tasks every year. Your mission: automate everything that wastes money. Tools to master: Zapier. Make.com N8N. Zapier is a no-code automation tool that connects different apps and makes them work together automatically. Think of it like a digital middleman. Make.com is another no-code automation platform, but it's more powerful and flexible than Zapier in many cases. It's like Zapier is a fast food meal, and Make.com is a full buffet. You can build almost anything, but it takes a little more setup. N8N, short for Nodemation, is an open source automation platform. It's like Zapier and Make.com, but with more freedom and customization. Start small, map out workflows, then automate the tasks that save money or make money first. Fun fact, I know freelancers making $10,000 per month just by automating client onboarding. And that's just one process. Skill number 8, AI data analysis, $300 to $400 per hour. Data is the new gold, but only if you know how to use it. AI can do in seconds what analysts take days to finish. Clean, messy data. AI can instantly detect duplicates, missing values, and errors that would take humans hours to spot. It organizes everything into a structured format so businesses can actually use the data. Enrich it with extra info. AI can pull data from external sources like social media, public records, or customer profiles to fill in the gaps. This makes your dataset more complete, detailed, and valuable. Pull out revenue-boosting insights. AI doesn't just show numbers, it finds patterns and trends that predict customer behavior or market shifts. Those insights help companies make smarter decisions that directly increase profits. Think of it like this. Companies don't want more data, they want answers, and answers drive profit. That's why this skill is worth so much. Skill number 9, AI agent development, $400 to $500 per hour. This is the holy grail. AI agents are like employees who never sleep, never take vacations, and never ask for a raise. Here's the 3-step process. Define the job. Train the model with real-world examples, deploy and monitor. Businesses are already replacing entire teams with AI agents. Customer support, research, scheduling, you name it. If you master this, you won't just be in demand, you'll be printing money. So there you have it, 9 future-proof AI skills that can completely change your life in 2025. Which one excites you the most? Comment below, I read every reply. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI hacks and money-making strategies. Because the truth is simple, 2025 belongs to AI power users. Be one of them and start today.